Intro. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the 2025 Force Gurkha, a beast of an off-roader that stays true to its roots while bringing in some much-needed upgrades. If you're an adventure junkie or someone who loves raw, mechanical 4x4s, then this video is for you. Stay tuned as we dive deep into everything you need to know about the 2025 Force Gurkha. The 2025 Force Gurkha retains its boxy, utilitarian look that makes it instantly recognizable. But this time, it comes with a more modern touch. At the front, you get an updated grille with the signature Gurkha badging, and new LED projector headlamps with integrated DRLs that improve visibility while adding a touch of sophistication. The robust front bumper and the large air intake further reinforce its off-road capability. Move to the side, and the rugged DNA continues. The pronounced wheel arches house massive 18-inch all-terrain tires, giving it a dominant road presence. The snorkel intake comes factory-fitted, allowing the Gurkha to wade through deep waters without breaking a sweat. The sturdy side steps and rugged roof rails only add to its adventure-ready persona. At the back, the Gurkha remains as practical as ever with a tailgate-mounted spare wheel, vertically stacked LED taillights, and a durable bumper built to withstand rough use. Step inside the 2025 Force Gurkha, and you'll see that while it still prioritizes function over form, there have been significant improvements. The dashboard now gets a more refined layout with a new touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The instrument cluster is a semi-digital unit, blending analog dials with a digital MID for essential off-road stats. The seating arrangement remains practical with 4 captain seats, offering excellent support for long adventures. The upholstery has been improved with better materials, and the cabin is slightly more insulated from road noise. However, don't expect luxury, this is still a hardcore off-roader at heart. Under the hood, the 2025 Gurkha packs a reliable 2.6-liter turbodiesel engine, producing 91 brake horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. While these numbers may seem modest compared to some competitors, the Gurkha's real strength lies in its torque delivery and rock-solid reliability.